All right, on the flat rate master, and well, Milwaukee went and did it. If you remember this little guy from a couple years ago, the M12 Tire Inflator, well, they went and did it. They did an M18 version. This mamma jamma. Now it's basically a beefed up version of this little guy. Now this little guy lives at my house. You know, the fun little weather shifts of Atlanta, TPMS problems at my house. My daughter's car, my wife's car. Yeah, I don't want to have to bring it all the way to the shop or go to some random air pump that the chuck's probably broken, as my wife dealt with the other day. I just use this little guy. You know, TPMS lights on, go out there with this, pump it up. Well, now you got an M18 version. Same basic setup, except they've added a few features. It now has a memory switch. So you can preset for your house various tire pressures. Like, you know, 33 for my wife and daughter's car, 36 and 38 for my truck. So obviously it fills tires up, claims less than a minute. I haven't gone from a completely flat tire. Usually it's, you know, 3, 4, 5 PSI, whatever turns the light on, but much bigger, heavier duty, well, tire inflator. You know, comes in handy for around the house because you got a, you know, needle for, you know, soccer balls, basketball, stuff like that. For me, the needle actually came in handy because it allowed my daughter's dog to deflate his soccer ball so he could bite on it. But definitely cool. I thought about doing a demonstration of it, but that's about as interesting as, you know, watching a tire inflate. So I didn't. It's cool. It sits by the side of the car. You push it on, you turn it on, and wow, it inflates tires. Very cool. Obviously, you've got plenty of room for all but the really, really big batteries. I have not tested it extensively enough to know how long a, you know, what do I have in here? A 5.0 battery will last on it. But I can tell you the 6.0 will last for several tires. I don't have a charger at my house, even though I have extra chargers. I don't know why I don't have a charger at the house, but this will do a bunch of tires. You know, again, 4 or 5 PSI. So I'm guessing this is going to last a long time at the house. So something to think about if you deal with like the situation I deal with, where you got to fill tires up every now and then and pain in the butt to get them to the shop, because drive an hour to go to the shop to put air in a tire kind of sucks. So it's either going to the local Quick Trip, chuck's broken, or get one of these. So just a little cool tool from Milwaukee. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.